Okay, first of all, we can choose the rectangle in here to make the base platform, and we can triple click and make group. Then we can select the tape measure tool in here and also on this horizontal space. Okay, then now we can determine about the carport position first, or garden position. We can select the tape measure tool, and we can set the garden is around 4 meter in here, and the carport is around 5 meter in here, and the depth of the carport is around 6 meter in here. Okay, and after that we can determine about the next room. It's around 4 meter in here. This probably should be a bedroom and a living room in here, and we can make the little terrace in here around 3 meter in here. Then we can move it to the behind around 1.6 meter in here. And for the depth of this bathroom, this is a communal bathroom, is around 2 meter in here. Okay, just like this, or maybe we can add a little bit around 500 millimeter in here, so we can erase this unnecessary guideline. Then we can select the tape measure tool and click to the behind around 3.5 meter in here. Okay, and then okay, now we can determine about the little thing like a carport, and there is a terrace area. Okay, and there is another next room like a communal room, bedroom, and this is bathroom, communal bathroom, and this is another communal room, and also the next bedroom on the behind of this house, anyway, based on the guideline in here. Okay, so now we can explode this platform. Right click and select explode. Now we can start for creating the material for the carport texture like this in here, and just like this. And now we can assign about the floor materials with using this one in here, and also in here. Okay, sorry, we can determine like this, and okay, just like this one. Okay, right now we can make the another area in here. We can move type control and type 4 meter in here. Okay, in here, and also in this position in here. So it should be like a swimming pool in here. We can type 1 meter in here. Okay, so the width of the swimming pool is around 2 meters, so we can add more like 1 meter in here. Sorry, like a 500 millimeter in here. So this is a little swimming pool with the length of the swimming pool is around maybe it's need more. We can add 2 meter in here. Okay, and then we can add more 2.5 meter. Okay, so this is the length of the swimming pool is around 8 meter in here. And then now we can assign about the water. This is water material in here, and we can also assign about the water texturing in here. And now okay, we can determine about the decking system in here. We can choose the decking with using this one. Okay, we can choose the decking, and we can also assign assign the line in here. Select move, type control, type 250 millimeter in here. Okay, and we can select the color, or we can select the concrete. Okay, just like this. And now we can select the landscaping. Okay, we can use landscaping in here, and this is a swimming pool, and also this one. So don't forget to add the shower area 1.5 meter in here. So this is like a shower area in here on the swimming pool in here. So and this is about the backyard garden. Anyway, this is a backyard garden, and we can also draw with a freehand. Okay, we can also draw with the freehand tool. Okay, just like this. And we can also change about the landscaping landscaping placement. Okay, we can just make this one. Okay, so we can see about the different texture in here, and now we can assign about another grazing in here. And for the bathroom, just a little bit in here. And okay, I think that's all. And then okay, right now we can triple click, or we can erase some unnecessary line in here. Triple click, right click, and just erase. Then we can triple click and make group, and then we can put the wall in here. We can put the wall with using can click from this another position. We can set up about the perimeter of the wall in here. We can erase some unnecessary line over there. Triple click. Okay, and then we can select offset it inside a 150 millimeter. Okay, 150. Okay, we can triple click, push it up 1 meter here. Triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then now maybe we can make the another tiling for the terrace area in here. We can select this one for the terrace area in here. Or okay, I think that's enough. This is for the terrace area, and then now we can select the line in here. Okay, can select the line and also this one. Okay, we can triple click and offset it outside 75, and erase the middle line in here, and make the another end of the polyline in here, and make the rotate rectangle in here, and make sure it equal with the existing and make sure it was equal with the existing wall, 3D wall in here. So we can adjust for every single path of the wall to facilitate us for making the appropriate positioning. Okay, we can select both of this line and we can adjust and make it equal. And as usual, we have to close this every single unclosed polyline over there. And this is for the shower room. We can modify this shower room 150 in here. Okay, triple click and place, and okay, maybe this one. So this is a shower room. Okay, and that was a swimming pool anyway. And okay, now we can just let it have a large opening. Double click, make group, and then now okay, we can duplicate the pool in here and make the guideline of the pool just like this, and make the guideline of the shower white in here, and make the another little bit extend of the guideline in here, just like this. And now we can copy the outline of the door opening in here, then we can adjust it. Okay, we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and now we can triple click and click this line and select a move, place, and push until to the position here. Okay, we can place. Okay, we can place 90 degree. Can place to the position, flip along with the green, or flip along with the red. Okay, flip along with red, flip along with the green in here. So again, we can make a double door in here. Okay, just like this to maximize the view in here, and also we can duplicate and place the door in here. Anyway, then now we can assign about the color of the top of the wall in here with using the dark color in here. Okay, right now we can assign with another 3. Okay, I think we can explode this one, and okay, no, I think I prefer this sum of 3 in here, like this one. It's like move, place, and just scale and move up a little bit in here. Okay, and we can place to the another garden in here, and we can also assign for the another tree or another plan for the swimming pool area in here. Okay. Okay, maybe we can make a little bit variation of it, like on this position, maybe. Okay, then we can put the car in here. Okay, so then we can assign about the dimension, but we have to set up the width to the centimeter, to the meter. Okay, we can use the dimension in here and click one by one. Okay, we can copy on this position. Okay, the swimming pool length is around 8 meter. I think it's ideal enough, it's proper enough for the swimming pool track in here. And the carport should we can accommodate until the 2 car in here. So now we can select the parallel view top, and now we can make the difference. We can make it clear for every single opening over there. Okay, we can make this one, and we can make the window in here. This is just for schematic, so you can improve by your own improvement anyway for this design anyway. Okay, there's a window, and maybe this is just a little window in here, and I think that's all. And then now we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and we can change the style with the documentation style, and assign about the shadow, and that's all. So this is about the result. This is about the result of the floor plan. So you can follow the tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And so you can leave the commenter on the commenter below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, share this video, and don't enjoy learning from this channel, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.